Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. And if this is your first time here, be sure you do subscribe down below, and be sure you do click that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you have social media, you can follow me, Makeup Artist 27, and that is Makeup Artist 27. That will be Facebook and Instagram. You can find me on those. Be sure you do follow, and yes, be sure you do follow. And I'm doing a giveaway as soon as I reach 3.5k on Instagram, which I am pretty close. I am like 3,300 and something, so we're almost there. We're getting close to that. So, and if you do like the video, be sure you do give it a thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started in today's video. I am bringing to you a little mini review of a collaboration that MAC did with Selena. Selena is a Latin artist, very famous. Unfortunately, she's not here with us anymore. She was taken from us too soon. Well, if you don't know, Selena is a Latin artist. She was really famous back in the days, very well known. She was one of a kind. Fortunately, she was taken from us too soon, but I know there has been other collaborations with MAC and Selena. So I have here a little, little shirt from Selena. It's kind of like a, not a hoodie, but a little long sleeve kind of. It says on the side, it says bidi bidi bum bum, because she sings the song bidi bidi bum bum, bidi 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 bum bum. So I did buy some of the collaboration, which you guys saw on my mini haul, on my super haul. And of course, I'm gonna be playing around just with the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and nothing else. I'm gonna keep it short and simple for this video. I don't want to go into details with foundation and all that stuff. So I'm gonna tell you what I use, but I'm not gonna show you guys, I'm gonna start foundation. I use the L'Oreal Infallible, which I love it, and this is the shade, so you guys can see. It's 465. And for concealer, I use the Instant Age Rewind, one of my favorites from the old days. This is Light 120. And for setting powder, I did set it up with Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Eyebrows, I did my eyebrows with Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is the color 5. It's just a color 5. And primer for my eyes, I did use NYX. Alright, so I have here the little MAC Cosmetics. I honestly, this is not my first, but I used to have MAC Cosmetics, not anymore. I'm not a big fan of their products, at least the eyeshadows. But since it was MAC and Selena, I did wanted to purchase it and bring you guys a little review. And yeah, but I don't have any. This is my first MAC stuff since I don't know when. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. So what did I get? Hopefully you guys saw my previous video when I showed you guys the stuff I got. I got the MAC and Selena eyeshadow palette, and I got a lip pencil, and I got a lipstick, matte lipstick for Selena. I did want to get the highlighter, but then I was like, nah, I don't. It's not a big deal. I just wanted the eyeshadow, honestly. And I bought the red because I love red lipsticks. And if you don't know, Selena used to wear the hottest red lipstick ever. Like, I love it. But yeah, here we have, probably gonna swatch it for you guys. I haven't done swatches in a long time, so I have here the MAC and Selena palette, and when you open it, you get a little Selena kind of like paper. I don't think it's, it kind of looks like a sticker, but it's not a sticker. It's not a sticker. No, it's not a sticker. It has a little paper in the back, but it's not a sticker. I don't know what it's for. And here we have beautiful 8 shades. You can go from like red to anything in there, and it's just beautiful. Do I'm gonna love these colors? I don't know, but I'm gonna give you guys the swatches real quick. Let's go ahead and give you the swatches. Alright guys, those were the swatches. You can see a lot of them I had to swatch a couple times, so that's why I'm not really a fan of MAC Cosmetics, because it's not as pigmented as I want it. Like a lot of the shades, I was like really pressing into the eyeshadow and put it, and it was not showing. Of course, that's without primer. We'll see now how it's gonna come out with the primer. Alright, so I am not sure what I'm gonna be working on towards like the eyeshadow, because I was trying to look for what kind of eyeshadow she wore in the times that she was alive, and honestly she was always so natural. Everything was natural and red lipstick, and I can't see anything that it was like smoky or red eyeshadow, nothing like that. Everything is like look at this one. This one is, I don't know if you guys can see that one, but everything, it's like natural, and this one it's like lightly brown, and that's it. Like, it's nothing exaggerated. So I'm just gonna create my own. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the look. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be doing. I want to keep it like very natural, but then I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing, but we'll see what we come up with. Like, I had an idea, and I don't know if I want that, so let's see. Kind of want to keep it neutral. I don't know. We'll see. First, I'm gonna start with Morphe M535 and go into this shade right here, kind of like the caramel shade. Just to start as transition color. Now I'm gonna go into like the darkest brown right there, and like I have here Wet n Wild, one of the Wet n Wilds. I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner. Alright, I'm using this eyeshadow brush. This is from Lavish Eye Shading, and I'm gonna be using this right here, which is like a pink, kind of like a shimmery pink. I'm gonna go into this shade, the shimmery there. It's like a shimmery, it's like, I don't know, it's like a lot of colors in there. I'm using a flat brush for that, and we're gonna top it off in that same red one or pink one, whatever it is. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah, this shimmer has like a lot of tones in there, like pink, blue. I see a bunch of color in there. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go into that little white color, kinda cream, I don't know. I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner. on the inner. Now I'm just gonna do an eyeliner. And I'm using BH Cosmetic eyeliner. I'm gonna do the rest of the face, like contour, blush, highlighter, and then I'll be back for the lipstick and we will be done. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and be back. Alright guys, so I finished the rest of the face. I'm gonna give you the details of what I used. Like for bronzer, I use I did the matte bronzer from Ulta. This is the color Cool. Then for highlighter, I did use Jeffree Star Supreme Frost Caramel Kiss, which is like a gold color. I don't know if you guys can see. I didn't put a lot because it's very glittery. Like you think it's like gold, but then it's very glittery. Whatever. And for blush, we did use Maybelline Fit Me Wine, which is like a wine color. It's kind of like a pink, but it's not like light pink. It's like lime, like a plum kind of color. Not plum, because I do have plum here, but it's like a reddish, it's kind of like red and pink together, kind of like that. Like it's not pink, but all right. So now we're gonna go into the lips. I did buy a matte pencil. This is the MAC Selena, and this is Selena View is the name of it. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. It is like really, really pretty. All right, so I'm gonna line. It's like shocking red. The color, it's super pretty. That color, it's super pretty. I love it. A really, really good red. Now I'm gonna go into the MAC Selena matte lipstick, and this is the color, let's see, Siempre Selena is the color. So pretty, so red. I'm like a fan of red colors. Look at that. Look at that. Now I am going to put mascara, lashes, and I'll be back with the final look, guys. All right, well guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. For mascara, I did use Lancome, and for my lashes, it is Miami Flare. What can I tell you guys? The lipstick feels amazing. It doesn't feel dry at all. I don't feel it like sticky or nothing like that. It is amazing. I am loving this formula. Now we gotta see how it goes through the day. I'm gonna take it off, so it doesn't matter, but hopefully in the future we'll have a good outcome of that. Lip pencil, it's really good too, nothing too bad. It's super pigmenting. I love it. And for the palette, it wasn't so bad. The shimmers are beautiful. They're like mixed glitters in it, and it's beautiful. For like the browns and stuff and the caramel, everything was fine. My only concern was that red, which I didn't use at all. I only used it in the bottom, and it's not like a good, it's not a good area that you're gonna be like, okay, that doesn't blend really well. So hopefully in the future we are able to play with it again, and I'll tell you guys about it. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful look of Selena's collaboration with MAC. Selena was definitely one of my favorite artists growing up. When I used to stay at my aunt's house, she always put Selena. I even had the CD, and I used to play it on those CD players and stuff. It was so beautiful. Anyway, if you haven't seen the movie, J-Lo is the one who did her role, and it's amazing. She does an amazing job. It's such a beautiful movie. You always cry watching that movie because it's such a sad story. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like it, and remember to subscribe down below. Help me get to my 5K subscribers. Make sure you do share my video, like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.